This could be my Z9 minis being delivered. Exciting times. Might be able to start mining tonight. Ooh. Hi mate, you alright?
Perfect. Cheers, mate. All right, take care.
Yeah, they are. Alright, what do we have here? We have, I assume obviously that's another power unit, and then these are the two Z9 minis. Ooh, get in. So we're gonna get a knife and unbox the Z9 minis and obviously the power supply unit, and I'm gonna try and video it, but it's really hard to hold a camera and try and take stuff out of boxes at the same time, I've discovered, so hopefully I can get a good enough. Right, we have a knife. So here we have the other power supply unit. Obviously I showed that yesterday in a video. I've got a little card with it, so it's certified. I don't know what that means. We have got a user guide and manual, which really is 2 pieces of paper. And then for the main event, that is why I need 2 hands. But it comes in quite a lot of protective foam. There we have the Z9 Mini. There you have it, there's the main machine. It's in this airtight, clear bag. Obviously, like I mentioned in my video yesterday, a lot of people moan about the machines coming with dust and stuff like that, but already I can see, looking closely, that this is mint. So let's open this up without trying to cut any wires. There we go. There it. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I'm pretty excited about this because this is my very first piece of mining hardware that I've ever bought. So yeah, you can see all the cards, actually the motherboards, if you like, running along down the back. Obviously this is where the hot air is going to escape, and this is where it gets sucked in. So obviously we want to make sure nice cool air is going into the front of this so that it keeps the temperatures of the cards inside down, therefore being more optimized and hopefully mine more coins for us. So yeah, you've got a warning sticker here. It feels all very flush, although it has got these little warranty stickers. I don't know if you can see them on the corners of the screws here. I assume that means that as soon as you unscrew them, I don't know, maybe you voided the warranty or something, but I don't know. There's that on that corner and there's one on the back. We've got our sort of control unit on the top. It even says Z9 Mini 10K from Bitmain. So I assume that's for the 10,000 souls. Here's our Ethernet port. We've got a red and green light, a reset button, an SD card and an IP report button. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, it looks really nice. It feels like good build quality. Again, it feels quite solid. Everything in here feels like really thick, hard metal. Everything feels tight, secure. Nothing feels loose or janky. So yeah, quite happy with that. I mean, it's actually quite small. I mean, if you compare that to a power supply unit, because a lot of you watching this may already actually have a power supply unit. So let's get that one out the box. Right, I'm gonna say this, because I was just doing this as a comparison for size, but when I opened up the Z9 Mini, it had it smelt like, like new plastic. It felt like new hardware. I've just taken this out of packaging and it smells. The only thing I can best describe it as like a fishy smell. So I hope no fish have been mining with these, but yeah, it's a very sort of stale, fishy, a very funny smell that's come out of this power supply unit. So yeah, not too sure what that's about. What's going on, Bitmate? So just for size comparison, there you go, there's the two side by side. You can see that the Z9 Mini isn't much bigger than the power supply unit. So if any of you have got S9s or E3 or whatever, the other machines out there, but you've got the power supply unit and you think, oh, I wonder what the size of them Z9 Minis are, just look at your power supply unit and it's pretty much just a bit thicker. Probably twice as thick that way, but in length, actually the Z9 Mini is actually a little bit shorter at the back. They're about the same height. So yeah, pretty compact actually, nice and tidy. Now obviously the main thing is to get these plugged in and get them mining and set them up through the Bitmain website and actually start earning some crypto, because I've got to pay some money back on these, boy.